Hi viewers, welcome to all. Here we are discussing about a project reliable CRC based error detections constructions for finite field multipliers with applications in cryptography. In the featuring applications in cryptography and error detections codes, the finite field multiplication has attracted consider attentions in the research. This cryptography arithmetic procedure is a complicated, expensive and time consuming work. It's requiring millions of gates. In this case study of the cryptography algorithm, the research of this work suggested efficient hardware design based on cyclic redundancy check, that means CRC, as a error detection systems for all cryptography applications. With applications to cryptography, this paper introduced an architecture of digit serial multiplications in finite field Galois field multiplier. Okay, this multiplications and degree reduction stage are interleaved in the proposed systems, which employs polynomial basics representation. An Mbit multiplier may be used for any binary field or order and work with the irreducible polynomials. Thus, the versatile and scalable digit serial parallel multiplier architecture for finite field will integrated with reliable CRC implementations and design of GF 2 power 3 8-bit and GF 2 power 5 32-bit based CRC error detections. This work was developed in Verilog HDL and synthesized in Vertex 5 FPGA and compared all the parameters in terms of area, delay and power. Now we can verify the base paper. This is a base paper title and abstract. Okay, so in this base paper is completely designed for the finite field multiplier with a CRC implementation. Actually, you can verify this architecture, the finite field multiplier with the proposed error detection scheme based on CRC. Okay, so here they are given two inputs, A input and B input. Okay, so this input will be multiplied with this module. Okay, after this module they are given as a actual CRC and predicted CRC. Okay, so this two CRC will be compared and find out the errors. Okay, so this is the concept of this paper. Okay, and additional one architecture they are given in the paper, proposed error detections constructions for alpha model. Okay, so this alpha model is a multiplication part, that means a finite field multiplication. Okay, so here this AX will be given on here. Okay, this AX additionally predict the CRC model for predicted CRC data. Okay, and after this multiplication output it will be given into the actual CRC model. Okay, so this two CRC output will be compared and it will be taken as a error output. Okay, so for this alpha model we can take any reference paper for finite field multiplications. Okay, but here we are taken advanced method of a versatile and a scalable digit serial parallel multiplier architecture for finite field GF 2 power m paper. Okay, so here you can verify this paper, it will be constructed with a serial multiplications and also for parallel multiplication. Okay, so here this is the concept of bit serial multiplications in GF 2 power m. Okay, so here we are given a input, B input and P input. Okay, so the x of t equal to a of t dot b of t mod p of t. As per this concept, the architectures will be developed with the serial and parallel multiplication. This is a bit serial multiplier. Okay, so here the a input will be given parallelly. Okay, so a0, a1, a2, a3 and p0, p1, p2, p3 will given on parallel. Okay, and this b0, b1, b2, b3 will given on serial. Okay, so as per this architectures we have developed the multiplications part. Okay, and we have developed a 8-bit and we have developed a 32-bit architecture. Okay, now we can verify the Verilog HDL coding. Okay, so this is a code for 8-bit architecture. This is a test bench of the coding. Okay, so here we are given the A input, B input and P input and predicted CRC and actual CRC. Okay, so you can verify the top model. So here what are the inputs and outputs will be there. Okay, so here clock reset A, B, P and CRC start, CRC check, predicted CRC and the output is the actual CRC and this is a product output, CRC done and CRC status. Okay, so this CRC status will provide the CRC pass or CRC fail. Okay, here this is a model configurations. Okay, so here we are connected the D flip flop and the bit serial multiplier and CRC implementation. Okay, so this is a CRC multiplications code, and this is a bit serial multiplier. This bit serial multiplier will have two architectures. One is a reduced polynomial and generation partial product. Okay, so once the partial product will be generated as per the architecture of A0 and B0. Okay, so we need to generate a partial product A0 B0, A0 B1, A0 B2. Okay, so based upon that we need to generate a partial product, and we need to construct serial based B0s as an input, and A input and P input will given on parallelly. Okay, so this is a generation partial product code, and additionally reduced polynomial code. Okay, and this is a simulation output for 8-bit architecture. Okay, so here you can check A equal to 8-bit. Okay, so here we are given 4, and here we are given 2. Okay, so we are increase the bit and the A 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Okay, we can give any increment value and any decrement value or any constant value in the test bench. Okay, for testing purpose we are given this. Okay, so you can check this 4 into 2 equal to 8, and 8 into 2 equal to 16, 12 into 2 equal to 24. Okay, the multiplication output will be correct. Okay, so here the 4 into 2 it will provide a 128 is a p value. Okay, so as per this p value we are generated a CRC with a predicted CRC value and actual CRC value. Okay, so based upon that the CRC it will be provided a CRC pass. Okay, so here you can check the n number of bits. Okay, so okay, up to here. Okay, so here the A equal to 128. Okay, so up to here into 2 means 124 into 2 equal to 248. Okay, but 128 into 2 means into 2 256. Okay, now we need to take a mod value of 128. Okay, so the output is 0. Okay, here you can check the product value, it's a 0. Okay, and 132 into 2 the next input. Okay, here 264 you need to take mod value mod 128. Okay, the output is 8. Okay, it will be present on here. Okay, so you can check here 132 into 2 the output is 8. Okay, so as per this we have developed a 32-bit architecture for this same thing. Here this is a test bench of the 32-bit code. Okay, and this is a top model of the code. Okay, here A equal to 32-bit and B equal to 16 and P equal to 32-bit and product output equal to 32-bit. Okay, so here this is a bit serial 32-bit architecture and CRC implementation. This is a bit serial multiplier code. Okay, and this is a generation of partial product and a generation of polynomials. Okay, and modular, reduced polynomial and CRC implementation code. Okay, and this is a simulation for 32-bit. Here you can check we are increment the A value, but the B value we are put a constant one. Okay, so here the B equal to 1024. Okay, so as per this 1024 into 4 equal to 4096, 1024 into 8 equal to 8192. Okay, and you can check all the outputs. Okay, and you can check the predicted CRC value and actual CRC value. Okay, so once you are increase the number of bit size, we will get a predicted CRC value and the actual CRC value will be more number of bit. Okay, but in the 8-bit configurations some of the bit logic will be 0 in the predicted and actual CRC. Okay, so here you can check. Okay, why? Because it's a 8-bit. Okay, so as per the CRC algorithm we need to XOR the logic gates. Okay, so that XOR gate will marks the bit. Okay, that's why it will be come on 0 state. Okay, so here CRC means we are used a novelty based architecture. Okay, so we'll show that architecture on here. So this is a CRC architecture. So once you are given a CRC data input, okay, it will be concatenate with number of zeros and it will be come into the shift register. Okay, this shift registers, the second input is a shift left 1 bit based CRC polynomial code. Okay, so this CRC data will be multiplied into here, and it will be ANDed on here. Okay, and this AND gate will be checked with the 8000. Okay, why? Because we need to check a sign bit. Okay, so as per this sign bit configurations, we need to XOR the output with a single bit configuration. Okay, so XOR 1 of 15th bit only we are taken, and it will be compared down here. As per the comparisons, we need to XOR again into the CRC polynomial code. Okay, so this is a polynomial value 1021. Okay, so we can choose any value on here. Okay, so as per this key generations, it will be rotate on 8 times of iterations. Okay, so after that it will provide the CRC data. Okay, and you can check the CRC pass status on here. Okay, so if you change anything in the test bench, okay, so here I'll put some wrong value. Okay, here you can check the CRC will be fail. Why? Because this predicted CRC and actual CRC will take a wrong value. Okay, so here you can check. Okay, here the CRC value, okay, the predicted value equal to 1127217. Okay, but actual CRC value is 1127297. Okay, so it will be compared on here. Okay, so based upon that we'll take a CRC pass or CRC fail. Okay, and after that we have synthesized this code in Xilinx Vertex 5 FPGA. Okay, so this is a code for 8-bit configuration. Okay, so here you can analyze the number of slice registers, IO base and occupied slice registers, and you can check a delay. Okay, delay will take 3.102 nanosecond, and you can check the RTL schematic for 8-bit. Okay, GF8. so this is a bit serial multiplier. This bit serial multiplier will provide the output to CRC implementation. Okay, so here we can check the actual CRC value we are taken output for testing, and the predicted CRC value we are given on here. Okay, this predicted CRC and actual CRC we need to compare with this RTL. Okay, and finally we'll get a CRC status and CRC done. Okay, and this is a bit serial configuration architecture. Okay, and the same design we are developed in a 32-bit logic. Okay, so this is a synthesis report for 32-bit. Okay, so here number of slice registers will take 214, and LUTs will take 616, and IO bits will take 245, and fan out effect will take 4.36, and synthesis report you can analyze the delay. Okay, so here delay will take 3.665 nanoseconds, and this is a RTL schematic for 32-bit. Okay, so GF 32-bit. so here you can analyze the 32-bit reduced polynomial and generation partial product. Okay, so here you can check the generation partial product and reduced polynomial. You can double click and open the RTL. Okay, so that much thing is not required. Okay, so this is a CS implementation. Okay, so this is a 32-bit configuration. Okay, so this all parameters we are updated in the comparison table. Okay, so this is a comparison table for GF8 and GF32. Okay, so here we are compared number of slice registers, LUTs, occupied sizes, IO base, delay, power, and comparison analysis chart will be given on here. Okay, this versatile based digit serial parallel CRC implementation, we are written abstract document for this project. Okay, here you can analyze base paper abstract, improvement of the project, proposed title, proposed abstract, existing system, disadvantages, proposed system, proposed architecture, and related notes, advantages. Okay, literature survey, finally references. Okay, thank you.
If you need more video related with VLSI projects implementation, please like and subscribe this channel.